Assalamualaikum, dear beloved students of class 9. I am Abdullah Mamun. Welcome to our Bonasri National School. Under the banner of Bonasri National School, today I will take your English second paper class. This is lecture number 23 and the name of the topic is tech question, especially from the board questions of 2017. Dear beloved students, I am confirmed that you have learned the rules and regulations of question tags or tech questions. My class has been designed to make you enough perfect, especially to score better good marks in examination, especially on the topic. I will discuss some rules and regulations of the question tags which are selected from two boards, Rajshahi Board 2017 and Dinajpur Board 2017. Let's have discussion. Dear beloved students, you know how the question may start. Make tag questions of the following statements. The question may be like that, or add tag questions to the following sentences or statements. This may also be a question. Now, patriotism is a great virtue. Dear beloved students, what is the meaning of patriotism? Patriotism means love for the country. Deshprem is a great virtue. Here is auxiliary, so isn't patriotism will be it. The pronoun of patriotism is it, isn't it? Every religion teaches us to be patriot. Every religion teaches. Dear beloved students, most of the students of us may be confused, especially noticing the S after the main verb. But always this is not the fact. The pronoun, according to the pronoun, the verb will be used. Here, the pronoun of every is there. So, if we use doesn't they, the sentence just seems to be abnormal. This is not a real sentence at all. So we have to use don't they, because they never takes doesn't, they don't. See, we all must remember that the country is above everything. We all must remember. Mustn't we? Mustn't we? Why some people forget, it is really a question. Please notice, why some people forget, it is really a question. The main theme of the sentence is really a question. So, isn't it, the pronoun of it will be the same. Number E, we hope that nobody will derail from the right path. Here, nobody will. According to the sentence rules of question tag, the sentence, if the sentence is affirmative, it will be turned into negative. If the sentence is negative, it will be turned into affirmative. But here we find nobody. Nobody, the pronoun, the subject is negative here. So will they, because the sentence is giving us a negative meaning, so we have to use will they. Nobody, the pronoun of nobody will be the they. Dear beloved students, I think you understood, but I am showing you it practically. For example, when there is a pronoun, they don't may be used. They doesn't cannot be used. Please just listen to me attentively. Here some function. Please notice there rarely, hardly, seldom, few, little, nobody, none, who. All these are negative. These words indicate actually negative meaning. So question tag will be affirmative. Now we will discuss the National Board 2017. Time and tide wait for none. Please notice here time plus and, this is and, tide. How many things we find here? Two things, or two things, or two persons, they. Okay, time and tide wait for none. Here wait, and there is no adding of s or yes. So do they? Please do they? Why? None. We notice here none. None indicates negative meaning, is known to all. Dear beloved students, B. Unfortunately, many of us waste our time. Waste, don't. Many of us, we. Don't we? Don't we? None can prosper in life without utilizing time properly. None can. Can they? None can. Here the answer will be can they, because none is always negative. So everybody should realize this truth. Shouldn't everybody? The pronoun of everybody is they. Dear beloved students, we are noticing number A. Please be with me and listen to me attentively. Notice here. Imperative sentence. Let not, do not, please, kindly, bar, থাকলে এটা হলো কি imperative sentence and always will be used will you. But when let us or let's, it will be used shall we. Dear beloved students, some of the students of our country are confused, especially on imperative sentence. Whenever they notice a sentence starts with let, they use will you. But when they notice let us, they also use will you, because they think that let us or let are the same, but not the same. Please always remind, let us or let's will be shall we. I think and I hope you understood my class. Dear beloved students, if then you have any confusion, please contact with me. I am Abdullah Mamun, using a mobile phone 01811 933 933, and I have also a Facebook Messenger, Abdullah Mamun. Before submitting your homework, please ring up me. I will make your problem very easy. Please send us your homework number 23 on Sunday. Have a nice time, dear beloved students. I will meet you another day with another lesson, and I am welcoming you to my another class. Have a nice time. Thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum.